Hi everyone, this is Jane. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a dreamy purple makeup look that was inspired by the concept of Lavender Haze. I got the idea when I'm listening to Taylor Swift's new album Midnights. Anyway, I wanted to create the feeling when you're in love. I'm going to use this Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette again. For my base, I chose the color Whipped Cream. I just noticed it has this very subtle pink undertone in it. Then I got the color Crisp. The golden shimmer in it is just beautiful. I dragged this color from my crease to the inner corner of my eye. And then I used the color a la mode and blend it from the outer corner of my eye to create some depth. I'm going to blend these two shades very well because I don't want any harsh lines between these two colors. Went back to the color Crisp to intensify the pink shade a little bit more. Dip into the color Spice of Life and drag it along my lash line. I'm using this purple shade as my eyeliner, and I want this line to be very soft. This glittery purple shade is the soul of this eye look. I put it at the center of my eyelid. If you want the color to be more intense, you can apply it with your finger or wet your brush first. Go back to Spice of Life and gently tap it on my lower lash line. For me, this is more of a night look, so I want my lower lash line a little bit more intense than my usual day looks. Went back to the pink shade again and use it to blend everything together. I want to blend the colors well, but not too perfectly, because I want this look to be dreamy and casual, if that makes sense. It's like you've got the natural flush on your face after a drink. Just to intensify my eyes a little bit more with a black eyeliner. I chose this purple blush to match my eye look today. I'm going to apply a very generous amount of blush on my cheeks today, because why not? It's a night look. I believe you can tell I love this highlighter. This pink highlighter has silver shimmer in it. It's nice for a day look as well. Since my eye look is a bit strong today, I will just apply a nude and muted color on my lips. And that completes this look. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.